I had two issues which led me to come here. The first one was that I had a crown, which I had had for many, many years and had gotten a little bit of decay. And the other issue I had was that I had been missing a tooth for many years. And so I really didn't have a solid and stable chewing surface in the back left side of my mouth. I was referred by my dentist when we decided that, we discussed it, that I needed to get an implant. I asked her who the best person to go to was in Raleigh, and she said Dr. Horalek. We discussed what my issues were. He did a quick scan and an x-ray to take a look and make sure that things were as we thought they were. And then we discussed a treatment plan and felt like I understood what he was going to do.
Our patient Martin came to us for endodontic treatment. We discovered that the tooth was cracked, non-restorable, and needed to be removed. Martin came back to us and then had 2 dental implants placed, and he was very happy with his treatment, and now he's referred his wife to us for similar treatment.
He was well up on the science. The doctor understood what he was doing, how to minimize the rejection rate. Since I've had the implants, it's been fantastic. I don't even know that they're implants. It feels like they're real teeth. I can feel when I'm chewing. It's as if nothing ever happened. And I don't think it gets any better than that.